Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to How to Become Successful Affiliate Marketing. We are going to show you 5 steps to becoming a successful affiliate with ShareASale. Right up front, we want to let you know that we are an affiliate of ShareASale and Wealthy Affiliate both. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money using a website or social media. It has a little to no cost up front for you, but it does have a return so you can actually get money back. If you already have a web page or a blog or social media that you use, then you are off to a good start already. If not, then in the description you will see a link to Wealthy Affiliate, and there you can create your own website. Matter of fact, you can create a website in less than 5 minutes on Wealthy Affiliate, and there's a link to a video that shows you exactly how we did that. There are a lot of successful affiliate marketers within Wealthy Affiliate, and if you join the community, you will see what they've done and what they're doing to be successful. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is create a good bio on your profile page. So in this particular case here, we are on ShareASale. And if we look into our profile, they're going to, in this case, they ask you what language is the website in, and they ask some qualifying questions here, which you need to answer. And then here you can give a brief description of your site and or marketing plans. Now I only put in here a couple of little blurbs about folding, biking, and marine helping veterans. You can do much more than that. This is where the merchants are going to actually be able to see, okay, what is this guy about? What is XYZ.com? What has he got to offer us? Another thing, now one of the things I don't have in here, I don't have my website stats in here, as both of these sites are relatively new and small. These stats would not help me at all. Now, if your website is already established and you're getting thousands of visitors a month, then putting your stats into the bio here would be a good thing to do. You could also put in their number of monthly visitors, followers, demographics, what country are people coming from, what age groups are visiting your website. All of that is pertinent information. The more you have in there, the easier it is for the merchant to figure out, okay, what products do you need? What can they offer you? Step number 2, find advertisers and products and or services to promote. You notice in my account here that we are, as I said earlier, we are an affiliate for ShareASale.com, and we have links we can use. We have just applied for and got a positive response from ProSource Fit. We'll go ahead and show you the process now about what we went through to apply for a merchant on ShareASale. Under Programs of the Week, down here on the lower left, you can see a couple of early programs that are available. I looked at this fitness one. I thought it would fit with my Marine Helping Veterans. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Join Program. That join now is actually a part of the banner that you would see on your ad. And this is where you apply to the vendor to join their program. Confirm that was my email. I've read the agreement. Here you can put information about yourself. I just put my website, their agreement there, and their conditions for keyword and bidding and stuff like that. Go ahead and click Join Program. You'll see it's a pending status up here. From Merchant Status, you can see that you're already approved of ShareASale. And then if we go to All and filter results, we'll see that there's ProSource Fit. It's pending. ShareASale is active. Here's the email that I got after applying. My response to them. And their reply back saying, we need you to be compliant. And I said, absolutely. And then they said, great. Another separate email is coming. And here is my acceptance into the program. From the main page of ShareASale.com, as you can see here, it's going to show you the status of your merchants here for today, yesterday, As you see, ProSource Fit, they've updated their data feed. Basically, they have a data feed that goes to ShareASale that is in a spreadsheet that makes it easier for them to make stores and links and stuff like that in some of these other products we'll look at here in a minute. Over here, you'll see the current balance of what is owed you. You have the merchant search. This is a specific type products here. You got the jewelry, automotive, household, clothing, and education. Programs of the week. So these are the new programs that have just come out and may be of interest. You can take a look. And you just saw on the video a few minutes ago where I saw that ProSource Fit was here. And so I saw exercise equipment, and I want to do a article on exercising after you've retired or left the military. And so that will work well there. So here we've got the ultimate oxidant here. And as you see on the right, it shows some more information about that particular merchant. And we got gift photographers here. Over here, your top merchants. You can see the 2 merchants that have accepted my application. And then trending merchants, it shows merchants that are trending right now. So if you want to join them, you would click on join merchant and go through their application process. We scroll down here a little more after you've come over here. It'll show that there's statistical data you can take a look at. I have not advertised anything yet. As a matter of fact, this YouTube video and part of the article that will come from this on my marinehelpingveterans.com, they will be there to attract attention to ShareASale.com. Recent transactions, offline merchants. So sometimes merchants don't keep up like they're supposed to with ShareASale.com, and ShareASale will drop them. And then they'll have them, if they were a merchant of yours, it'll show up here, and you're like, oh, okay, that's what we don't want to do business with them anymore. Let's take that page down. If you have any help tickets, they'll show up here. They have a blog here to help you with your affiliate marketing. They also show you upcoming events, like in September, fall season, October, breast cancer awareness, Halloween, November, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving. What that means is, oh, if I'm making a plan to do videos, or I'm making a plan to do articles for my webpage, these are some really good topics to write about ahead of time. And then you can find the merchants to fit those needs as well, like Veterans Day, Marine helping veterans, right? This should really be good for my website. Reiterating, step 1, make sure you have a good profile. Step 2, find advertisers and products and services that you want to promote. Step 3, start promoting your products. So there are several ways of doing that. So if you look at other articles on this page, or even in this YouTube channel, in the descriptions, you'll see there are affiliate links to Amazon and other vendors in my descriptions of my videos. With a video, that's one way of doing it. And in the videos, you can do like I'm doing now. Hey, make sure you look down below in the description, and you will see a link for Wealthy Affiliate, where you can build an online business. And you can also, in the description below, you'll see a link to ShareASale.com, where you can have a profile and select vendors and build up vendors and products for your affiliate marketing. And when you're into the vendors areas, they're going to have get a link banner. So let's go ahead and click that here. So we have we can see the 2 that I've joined. So we can get our affiliate links here. ShareASale. So they have some text links that you can use. It has HTML code to copy. If you look at banners, so banners for ShareASale here, you have all these banners that you can choose from if you want to put them on your web page, or maybe you want to use one for Instagram or Twitter. So you have all sorts of banners there. You can make custom links, shows the size of the banners themselves. ProSource Fit, here again, they have examples of text that you can put in your, if you're going to have an article or something like that. Banners that you can use. So you don't have to build these. These are already pre-built. So ShareASale is really a good platform, and it doesn't cost anything to be an affiliate on ShareASale.com. It's not costing me anything to have this account. Step 4, take advantage of ShareASale affiliate promotional tools to optimize your work. One of the tools they have is called Make a Page. It allows you to format the products that you have on a page, and then you are able to then save the HTML script that goes with it. Then you could import that into your web page without having to try and move things around manually and stuff like that. Very nice product. They also have what's called a product showcase, which is an interactive widget for your sidebar. And of course, they've got gift cards, coupons, and deals database, so you can find things quickly and put those out as well. And if you go to ShareASale's webpage, following my link, you will also notice they actually have a video about to make a page tool, the product showcase tool, and how to use gift cards, coupons, deals, and the database tool. So they do have training available for you online. Step number 5 is to track your performance. You need to know what's working and what's not working. And that's where we come down here, right? We look at our stats and transactions. They'll actually even show if they're invalid links, if the links are broken, if the merchant ID or banner ID isn't working. There's a way to see all of that. And there's even a YouTube tutorial you can watch as well. So the biggest thing to remember, this is all going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in a week or a month. It's going to take time. You need to build your audience. You need to have people have to be able to find whatever social media or website that you're using to advertise these products and stuff like that in order for you to get a return. But the biggest thing is you have to start somewhere. So why not start right here with ShareASale.com? And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you would hit that subscribe button, that would be great, because then you'll be notified of the next product that we talk about. And also we will do updates in the future as we start to earn money from these different programs and stuff like that we're talking about. And we will show you our progress as we go along. So thank you all for watching. Smash that like button and we will see you on the next video. If not, then Wealthy Affiliate, you'll see a description. Wealthy Affiliate.